Hello and welcome to today's Technical Corner. I'm joined by Dave Hudson from Gühring. And Dave, today we're going to be talking about the Pionex tap, which is your latest range of taps. You've got lots of different tap ranges, so why the need for another?
We've decided that we've got a lot of confusion within the ranges that you've done. You're absolutely right, Joe. We've got power taps, we've got the SL tap range, we've got the main tap catalogue, and sometimes it becomes quite difficult for the engineer to decide exactly what tap to use for specific application. Over the period of time, we've developed various geometries and we've optimized them and put them together to put them into a range where it covers probably 85% of the applications that's out there.
So this is the tap behind us. What features on this tap make it different to other taps in the marketplace?
Well, originally the Pionex range only covered fluteless tapping, and we came up with a new profile of fluteless tap, together with geometries and together with the coating and the surface finish, which enabled it to be used much longer tool life and a lot less forces. And the extension to the range now is a cut tap. We've now developed it and come up with a range of spiral point and spiral flute, which obviously helps out a lot with Swarf Control.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've seen this video before. It's good timing. Swarf Control and tool life are the two biggest issues with taps. So the Swarf Control here looks particularly good. Absolutely.
I mean, the biggest problem with tapping is usually Swarf Control, as you rightly say, and more taps break through poor Swarf Control than whatever. Certainly on reverse. So, but to be able to control that so that the actual swarf itself falls away from the tap, as opposed to getting wrapped around it, is the biggest benefit to it, as you can slightly see from this.
Sure, and how's that achieved? That's great Swarf Control, but how have you got to that stage?
It's lots of things regarding the optimised geometry of it, the surface finish, the edge prep, the clearance angles, and of course with coatings as well.
Mm-hmm. Where do you see this tap fitting? What markets,
as I say,
what materials?
It covers probably 85% of the materials, from the standard low carbon steels into the tougher steels, into the stainless steels, and pretty well covering everything. Where you get to some of the real exotics, you're then looking at some of the other ranges that we have, and that's where it benefits.
So maybe the 80-20 rule,
Absolutely.
For everyday machinists, it's perfect. If you want something a little bit more specialist, maybe look at some of your other ranges, power tap or what have you. But yeah, no, it's good. How about the stocks? Are we looking imperial and metric?
Yeah, it covers metric coarse, metric fine, UNC, UNF, and BSP, and specials as well. If you have a thread that you need to be done as a special, we can make that as well.
So what coating and what base material?
They're all cobalt, and they're either 8% cobalt or they're PM30 as well. So there's a powder metrology version as well, and they're aluminium nitride coated. And for the spiral flute and for the spiral point, they're our new serious coating.
Very serious.
Very serious, yeah, which is actually zirconium coating.
Okay, so if you're looking to put thread in holes, which I'm sure you are, why not consider these new taps from Gühring?